Okay, now we'll try to modify our program in getting the area of a circle, given that here we are using the float data type, okay, in which the float data type has a specifier %f. Now we will be using the double data type. The only difference of the double and float data type is that the precision and the storage that it will cater. The float data type caters only for bytes of data, while double caters up to 8 bytes of data. So now I will be using double instead of float. And okay, for the double data type, the format specifier is LF. Okay, it's small letter L and F. For long double, um, the format specifier is capital LF. Okay, so %LF for out this scan FS, and of course for printing the area of the circle, since area of the circle is of type double, so we'll be using the okay %.2 LF. Okay, point 2, that is to specify the decimal places up to 2 decimal places. Now we have here. Now save all and try to run. Yes. So please enter the area, the radius of a circle. So let's try to enter 2, and we have here 12.57. So it gets the correct answer.